Today, I take you guys to show our company's new product, microwave sensing cabinet lights. Look at, there are three colors: silver, black, and white. The silver is most popular in the market. And if you want to create your own color, we are welcome. Okay, back to the lamp. The lamp has two modes. One is auto with microwave sensing mode. Another is consistent on mode. Look at the top. There has a touchable switch. Turn on the light. If shortly press the switch, the CCT will be changeable. If wrongly press the switch, the brightness will be changeable. With stepless dimming, look, you will see the brightness is from strong to weak. Using the same way, the brightness is from weak to strong. Okay, in another side, it has Type-C charging port. After 2 hours fully charged, it can work more than 7 hours. The lamp outshell and the lampshade are all made of environmentally friendly materials. The light resistance is very powerful. The installation method is very simple. Look at the back of the lamp. It has a very strong magnet. It can stick to metal surface very firmly. And when we face non-metallic walls, just use a 3M sticker. Then we can use it.